Who is he?
I don't know. But
You
he is
know.
the person who have been seen in the Facebook live with a chopper saying that I will kill you. আমাদের জননেত্রীকে মারার কথা বলছিস? নেক্সট পেজ। তোর সাচ এন্ড সাচ আই উইল ডু। সিপিএম এর দ্বারা একটা কাজ ঠিকঠাক হয় না। মাথায় গুলিটা যদি ঠিকঠাক করতো আজ এই দিন দেখতে হতো না। For the petitioner, my lord, I will take 1 or 2 minutes in matter. It's a very unfortunate matter, but this is very
Yes, sir.
dangerous thing. My lord, a lady is a student of a PhD student of Presidential College. Now she had posted something. Kindly come to page 17. সিপিএম এর দ্বারা একটা কাজ ঠিকঠাক হয় না। মাথায় গুলিটা যদি ঠিকঠাক করতো আজ এই দিন দেখতে হতো না। This was a post. And after this post, suddenly all these are coming. আমাদের জননেত্রীকে মারার কথা বলছিস? নেক্সট পেজ। তোর সাচ এন্ড সাচ আই উইল ডু। And these are done in an organized manner. My lord, police has started an FIR.
Lordship, only
Now the
sole prayer
IT
in the petition
IT Act
to
is not
register
given.
the FIR, Lordship.
This is not a
Only
question.
sole-
It's a question
prayer,
of the
Lordship.
security safety
Only one
of a
prayer.
student.
To register the case, and we have
Is it an
registered the
offense
case,
to say
Lordship.
that CPM এর দ্বারা সবকিছু কাজ
We
ঠিকঠাক
have
হয় না?
registered the case on the first
It's not a question. No
Complaint-
arrest. There is no case
complaint
made
filed on
against
first
one
April.
Rajdeep Maiti, Dr. Rajdeep Maiti. Lordship,
complaint filed on first
here,
April, Lordship.
what kind of video she was doing? He
And
was
within
doing
the 24 hours,
let's do
Lordship,
this.
this writ petition has been moved before Lordship.
Yes,
Within
yes,
24
yes.
hours.
Why not? This is a question of security.
And we registered
Somebody is going
that
to
after the
waiver.
inquiry, we
This is
registered the case.
Dr. Rajdeep Maiti.
What are you doing this, sir? What are you doing this?
Lordship, this is the
You,
video.
you should seek permission before the court before doing this. You are becoming an exhibitionist.
No, no, this is
You are not a performer. You are.
No. If your lordship give me permission, I will say.
Before that, you have done that.
Taking the weapon, he is citing it.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে এই কি হয়েছে মামলাটা বোঝার আগে তো প্রথমেই চার্জ
See, after
Yes, sir, Lordship, some messages be,
Is it an
running
offense to say this?
on the Facebook, Lordship.
বলার জন্যে? And everybody is doing it. Kindly come to these messages.
just one what are you wanting what
I
is
want this to be investigated.
oh,
To register the case, not to register
And
the FIR. And
There is no register against this Dr. Rajdeep Maiti.
after inquiry, they will
who is Rajdeep Maiti?
Rajdeep Maiti is someone who in Facebook Live came, shown one weapon, said that you are doing this. Delete the post. Otherwise, I will chop you by this chopper.
That the investigating officer will think.
No, kindly keep
The
this
complainant is this Adrija Raha.
matter. Yes.
Lordship, first April, the
Lordship,
complaint
kindly
was
come to-
that's coming, Lordship.
These are organized in an
on the
organized
first
manner.
April-
These are happening.
Is that not?
On the first April, the complaint
Lordship,
had
come
been
to
received, Lordship.
Page 38.
And within 24
This
hours
is
on
my
3rd
written
April,
complaint.
this writ petition was moved.
I, Adrija Raha,
Registered the case on the 11th
Let-
April, Lordship.
একটু বলে নি। On 28th March 2025, I made a post from my Facebook account. Screenshot attached post link such and such where no mention was made about any person, community, political, social, religious organization. But surprisingly and unfortunately, the post was misinterpreted and circulated by the members and activists and supporters of All India Trinamool Congress after referred as such and such and its student organization, namely Trinamool Chhatra Parishad and the IT cell. They instigated the people against me by circulating the post with a false narrative. Within some times, the
So
supporters,
the case has
activists,
been what are you wanting now sir I'm don't know.
these are the
You want
messages
this
that-
person with that person সে তো পুলিশ অফিসার ডিসাইড করবে কোর্ট বলে দেবে
No, Lordship, kindly come to my FIR. I have named the persons
Lordship,
and
we
I
registered
have the
case,
evidences. They have
registered
not
the case.
registered the case against this person. Kindly come to the
against
FIR and-
against whom they have registered
against they have registered against the persons called Shubhankar Mondol, Saurabh Chatterjee, Dipanjan Mojumdar, Sudip Roy, then Biplab Sen, Somobroto De, and others, except this Dr. Rajdeep Maiti. Why Rajdeep Maiti is not given?
why what is your apprehension why who is he
I don't know. But
you
he is
know,
the
huh?
person who have been seen in the Facebook Live with a chopper saying that I will kill you. And my lord, what is my concern
And
is that this lady and her family has been subjected to tremendous snooping by the ruling dispensation because during the Arjikar protest,
no.
when she participated,
allegation
2
also
cases
not
were
correct. This is not
lodged against
untrue
her father
allegation.
also.
This is not false allegation.
These
made by
matters
my-
are pending before this court.
what is
This
this
is an organized manner they are doing
But-
it. Kindly come to the FIR.
এটা করছে এখন সে কাম আফটার সাম টাইম
Now, Lordship, kindly come to the FIR once.
তাহলে
How?
go to the division
This is an FIR. Lordship, kindly come to the FIR. The sections. It's a case of an IT Act. Is there any section of the IT Act? I'm asking
that the
this.
investigating officer with 11th of April today আজকে কত 23 দিনের
IT Act should have been inserted, my lord. My lord, this FIR has been lodged after I filed the writ petition. Kindly
Yes.
come to the date
But
when I filed the writ
after
petition.
inquiry, we have registered it.
no petitioner is aggrieved by the fact that
Lordship, one thing, kindly consider one aspect, Lordship, kindly, for my satisfaction, my lord. Kindly, before your Lordship passes an order, kindly consider one aspect.
I am telling you, your 1/4/2025 you have named 20 persons over here তাই তো
Yes.
huh the police will take into
No.
account that
Lordship,
Yeah,
only
let
one
me
thing.
yesterday,
Lordship,
sir.
one,
Today is
consider one.
23rd.
I have handed over the copy of the FIR. But Lordship,
copy
this
of
is
the
a-
FIR দেয়নি
Yes, I have given. I have handed over a copy.
কোথায়
Kindly see. Lordship, the police should have applied IT Act.
that police will consider sir
Kindly direct them to consider.
direct করে দেবো
And kindly
the
keep this
20
matter.
person the 20 persons whom you have named in the complaint they will inquire conduct and ascertain regarding their complicity
And
in this-
safety security of the lady, my lord.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে চলো petitioner is
And IT Act also, my lord.
আরে আইটি অ্যাক্ট তো বলে আদার স্পেশাল অ্যাক্টস বলে দিচ্ছে
No, kindly IT Act. because
না,
it's
বলা
not-
যায় না।
Kindly consider that aspect.
petitioner is aggrieved by the fact that she has been subjected to verbal abuse, threats
On social media.
on social media on different aspects pursuant to a post which she uploaded in her Facebook account. Full stop. The information which was furnished with the police authorities uh, on or about 1/4/2025 specifically referred to 20 individuals. However, there were other persons also uh, who were involved in such verbal abuse and threats of different character, which according
Lordship,
to her,
kindly come to P6. It's a separate complaint.
Investigation
Kindly
is
come to
going on,
P6,
not
Lordship.
just-
Which
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 according
against this Rajdi.
which কি বললাম? To her makes her out cognizable offense. Her makes out a cognizable offense. In spite of the same, no steps have been taken. Subsequently, it has been informed that Howrah PS case number 165/25 dated 11/4/2025 has been registered for investigation under section 75, 356(2), 351(2), 79, 35 of the BNS single 2023. The investigation of the said case is under progress. ভালো কথা petitioner claims that,
Page 44 was not
another
page 44.
information was furnished by her this is by WhatsApp.
By WhatsApp, subsequently I've sent. It's a mail, email, Lordship. Email.
কি বললাম which enclosed a video and was addressed to the officer in charge বললাম না না and was addressed to the officer in charge Howrah Police Commissionerate on
On Lordship, this was sent on
আমি বুঝতে পারবো না ডেট নেই এর মধ্যে
subsequently, Lordship. I will furnish the date, Lordship.
5:33
Lordship, I will furnish the date. There. This was sent to them.
এগুলো কে রাখবে ওসি
3rd April. This was on 3rd April.
on 3rd of April on 3rd April 2025 আচ্ছা Acha. Uh, since the investigation has already commenced and the subject matter of the investigation uh, has taken into account the agony and anxiety of the present petitioner, uh, I am of the view that the investigating officer, in course of the investigation, will also consider within its ambit the special provisions of other acts which may be applicable in the case, including the subsequent informations furnished by the informant within a close proximity of time, within a reasonable period of time after the first information was furnished. Full stop. If the investigating officer would put in efforts and ensure all the safety and security of the petitioner also. Full stop. In case the safety and in case the petitioner feels that uh, she is unsafe, she would approach the jurisdictional magistrate, কোন থানা?
The Howrah.
CGM Howrah. She will approach the learned CGM Howrah, who would, under the Witness Protection Scheme 2018, after assessment of the threat perception report, extend all possible assistance to her in respect of a threat, in respect of her security. Chalo. The investigating officer would also take steps
Sees
in respect
forensic lordship.
of the
Lordship, forensic examination of everything.
okay, cool. I can't. I will also take steps so that the petitioner is not further subjected to
Any bully.
similar harassment as she had been facing
Well,
since the initiation of the information. Chalo.